Alright, everybody. I found the alien crash site. You have to be level 20 and then transition from inside to outside or fast travel, and then it flies overhead, boom, crashes. We're here just a little bit southeast of Oberland Station. I think you can actually see the station if you go over this hill. Huge spoiler alert, so keep your eyes out for that. There should be some blood on the ground, but I'm not seeing any blood. For you, there will be. I've already been in the cave. I just came back and wanted to show you. We're going to mess around with the alien. Go down this hill, follow the blood. It's not very hard. Now, in this cave I've got here, we're going to type T detect. That'll keep us from being detected by the game's AI. So I can walk up to him freely, and he will not attack me. There's some blood. Ooh, cave fungus. Looks like he's hurt. Obviously, because they're bleeding. Looks like he's contacted his friends. Sounds like some kind of weird chittering, like... Alright, now we're going to do this. I'm going to turn his combat AI off. And I'm going to turn so that they can still detect me. Now he'll stand up. I turned his combat AI off so he can't fire on me. Will you talk to me? No. What can I do? I can't pacify him. I don't think he has any dialogue. I just wanted to see what it was. Show inventory. He only has the blaster and the ammo. He looks kind of cool though, doesn't he? I'm gonna take a picture with him. Hold on. Move, a-hole. Oh, and she turns around. Turn back around, you fucking idiot. Face the camera, buff. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Why do they move? They didn't do that in Skyrim. I want to take a picture. I want to have a photograph. Ooh, ooh. Ah, you bitch. Never mind. So just kill him and get the gun. That's not God mode, by the way. I have that many action points, and my gun takes 25% less.
Thanks.
So there's the alien blaster. 88 damage because I have rank 3 gunslinger. I think it's 50 normally. And about 500 rounds of ammo. What a gooey looking head. I want to see your face, asshole. Thanks for watching.